the light on. Hold on, let me try.
You might.
Hmm?
You might.
All right.
All right, this door was left unlocked.
Okay. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. So this is Dan's old apartment. It has a smell, even in the cold. So,
Dog.
wow. Wow. Oh, it really smells strong. Oh boy. I guess what I'm smelling is the smell of feces, but no, could be other animal, because we got, wow. Wow. We got bullet holes.
Wood chips everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
What kind of animals you got in there?
They're just big old turds.
Nice.
They just didn't flush.
That's why we have a big turd. But that isn't where the smell's coming from. Okay, so
It is now.
this would be. What was Dan thinking?
Good, 3.
He just didn't finish this?
Correct.
Oh,
This is what I would do on weekends.
I see.
Oh, so he stole the electric stove I put in there from IKEA. He stole all the cabinets. He stole all the cabinets.
All right. And they were definitely
Oh,
GD Eastern property, correct?
They're all white. It's attached to the building.
All right. Okay.
Okay, that's where the washer and dryer stand-up unit is, back in that back corner, or was.
There was a
Right.
stand-up unit?
Yeah, you see the hook up there?
No, but I will walk back here.
This was a... Well, it was at least a washer. I don't know if it was gas powered, so I don't know if he ever ran that gas.
Oh, here's the washer and dryer hookup. Or yeah. Man, it's like reeking even in here.
Some of that's me. I keep running.
Oh. All right.
Not really. I mean, shovel it, get rid of the carpet.
Right. Well, you don't need this light on, right? Well, I'm gonna try to hit this again. I see it. It just likes to go down really slowly. All right. Well, here's one of these cabinets, Josh. Well, I think we talked to Dennis.
Alright, you can see across the hall to the other boys' room.
Oh, and that goes out to the
Sure.
to the windows. And so, how do you access that front?
To the office.
So this would theoretically be a 3-bedroom,
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. and that's a door.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Same thing, kind of office-ish area.
God, not a problem. But he's still occupying it. So. Crazy. You gonna lock it up? You might as well. Huh?
I can.
Okay, so
I
this.
have the key to it.
Aha. So Ethernet went here. Now the question is, all right, so we have a
So
telephone.
that is locked. This was left unlocked as well.
No.
This
Oh.
this boy's room.
This is the room I remember. Okay.
Turn off the fan.
Okay. So it would appear that we're in the process of moving out. Okay, I'm gonna say that, you know, occasionally taking out the empty rolls is a good idea. Just saying. Now, were all the lights on when we walked in here? Oh, there's a TV that was left behind, so.
We'll just leave it for now.
Oh, yeah.
If you taste it, taste it.
Yeah, I understand. So you're gonna lock it through this part?
To make sure I have a key.
Absolutely, all right.
And then this is his room.
Okay. And this goes out to the porch?
No, that goes into his back behind the office where you peek through that hole.
Oh, okay. Is this open?
No.
No, it's not.
Does this even have a lock?
By the way, are your keys gonna work on this?
Yeah. My master.
It did work on it.
Yes.
All right.
This may not.
Okay, we're knocking.
Anybody home?
Okay. We have water damage, ladies and gentlemen.
That would be from the roof. The porch kind of starts here.
Okay. So we're not, obviously not vacated.
And then here's like one of the bedroom.
That's a bedroom there?
It was kind of, yeah.
Wow. Holy mackerel.
The water damage.
More water damage.
And this is Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill, I'm not familiar with that.
Where you walk through the bathroom.
Oh. Okay.
What's that?
All right. Dennis has got to become appraised of this. Good God. All right.
Shut that back door back up. And then this is access to the no floor room.
The what?
No
Oh, no
floor
floor room. Okay, so this was, all right, so they expanded into the hallway. This would have been the hallway right through here.
So what it is, this is the main 301,
Yeah,
303. Here's the archway that leads through.
all right.
There's another one somewhere over there. Probably in his room or something.
All right.
So this would have been the storefront. This whole thing.
Okay,
From here forward. And that's, we just built
I see.
stuff in there. So it could just be this one big open space if you wanted to.
Yeah.
And get rid of these interior ones. Or you move this door to
What was
here.
behind here? Oh, this was his son's room.
Or what you could do is end this hallway here.
Yeah,
If you put a window in her room.
yeah,
That's got windows. This becomes a bedroom. I
yeah.
don't know if that needs a window, does it?
Supposed to if it's going to pass HUD. Plus you have to have ingress and egress kind of stuff going on. But it does have a window. Yeah, but that's an interior window. It doesn't go all the way to the wall. And even if it did go to that wall, that's not the outside of the building, is it?
Well, we'd have to measure and see. Because I believe this is that little half roof thing.
Yeah.
So there may be something back there. I kind of doubt it. But I don't know.
Was this going to be another bathroom? This thing?
I don't know.
Shower?
I have no idea. I mean, there's a toilet. This used to be, I don't know.
This part, this is where the bathroom is next door?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, it might make sense to rip all this shit out.
I don't know.